How to access Max Premium content. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. You can check for the plans of Max by visiting www.max.com. From there, you need to head over to Help and Support where you can type in Max plans. Some Max plans differ with ads, ad-free or ultimate ad-free. It starts from $9.99 per month to $20.99 per month. So you can just get any of this plan depending upon your need. To get yourself the plan, all you have to do is basically tap on the plan. Then, to complete the payment process, use either your credit or debit card, or you can even use PayPal if it is available in your region. If you are using credit or debit card, you need to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and your social security code. After the payment is successful, you'll get yourself your very own Max plan and also you're rich for the premium content. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.